Let me holler at him.
No, talk time is over. Just bust his ass.
Can't tell us a damn thing if he dead.
Damn, you saw this baby shit, bro. Hey, you hear that? Hey, you got some little soft-serve ice cream ass niggas with you, bro. I want some more cupcake niggas, man. Hey, you don't like me eating your food, huh? Hey, ass food, homie. Nigga, shit. Oh, you boy smart, nigga. Shit.
You gotta be like this.
Yeah, homie. Shit is right. Janky ass place. I'll kill you, nigga.
You gonna end up dead, man? Huh?
Yeah,
over what? A few bills that you jacked off of me?
fuck all this shit.
Just give it up.
Take aspirin.
This doesn't require me actually taking any cocaine. I think he's really enjoying this.
Yeah, he likes being in motion. Teddy.
It's a rich white man's drug. You know, it's for celebrities and spoiled kids.
Tell that to the coroners in Miami.
That's not gonna happen. Not here, not if I'm controlling who's buying and who's selling, you know? This could turn the entire tide of the war.
Okay, as a colleague, I can kind of grasp that rationale. But it's a little unnerving that you won't at least acknowledge how crazy this is.
I get the faintest whiff that something's off and I shut it down. Walk away. It's not even going to come back with the agency.
It's not just the agency I'm worried about.
Okay, it's not going to come back to me either.
It's not just you I'm worried about. Okay, let's just say for a moment that this is even possible. Have you considered what running something this dangerous will do to you? Mentally.
Come on. I'm fine. I'm in a much better place now.
Yeah, because you've been laying low. But what happens when this thing ramps up? Which it will. You don't remember Tehran? Why do you have to put yourself in this position?
Because it's important. Because the country's asking me to do it. I mean, I thought that's what we were doing here.
Yeah, I guess it is.
Wake up, homie. Frank.
Sky.
Somebody's gotta be here.
Where's Sky? Sky.
Let's get it, bro.
Sky. That way.
Come on, bro. They gonna sell out. You in there? Let's go.
That one, the white one is Scott.
It's a bitch.
Do it right now.
Yeah, you don't think I'll do it? You don't think I'll do it?
Stop it!
Should be Enrique.
No, I told you Enrique's a killer.
I'll do it, Lucia. Pero you're both going to be there. Watch it happen.
Cuando estés listo.
Sky. Come here.